What's the meaning of belly? Belly. Belly.
Belly. Belly. Belly is a common term used to refer to the soft part of the body located below the chest and above the hips. It is the area where the majority of the digestive organs are located, including the stomach, intestines, liver, and pancreas. The word belly is often used in casual conversation and literature to describe a protruding or round stomach, typically caused by excess weight or pregnancy. In some cultures, the belly is considered a sacred or spiritual part of the body, representing fertility, nourishment, and emotional well-being. The term belly can also be used metaphorically to describe a deep desire or craving for something.